Hey, welcome back, my amazing students. I'm so glad that you guys are here. So now that we're done with creating a habit and we were able to get that data in the database and everything is working good, and we have notifications and all that stuff, now what's left is for us to start showing these habits down here. But before we do that, before we render these habits here, we need to pass them in, right? We need to go into our app and let's see where we can pass them in. And the best place, of course, would be this route right here, right? So we need to make a query into our database and get this stuff out. So let's do that right now. So let's grab the model and let's access this query object and let's do order by, and let's do this right here. We'll grab the model again. And now here we could do the created at, and then we have this method attached to it because, of course, we have SQLAlchemy, helping us out with a bunch of things here. So yeah, we got this function, and then lastly, we attach the all method. Now, once we have the habits, we just have to pass it into our template, and we'll do that here. We'll say habits are going to be called habits. Simple as that. Now it's time for us to start showing this in the template down here. So we got the static one right here, and that's where I want the for loop to be. All right. So you can check if you can put an if statement here and say, hey, if habits, right? So we can say if habits, all right? Let's make sure we don't misspell that. And we can end it here and if right there. Okay. So you can see now that it still shows, so that means we got some habits in there. And you're welcome to put an else statement here and put like no habits available, whatever. But I'm not gonna do that. I just wanted to make sure that we are passing this in and I can see that. So now I'm gonna replace this here with the habit name. But before we do that, we need to loop through it. So yeah, let's loop through it. So we're gonna say for habit in habits. There we go. And let's close that in here as well. And 4. There we go. Now let's show that here. And let's say habit.name. Simple as that. We got to work on this date here. Let's just first see if that is showing. As you can see, it is showing. And now we got to work on these dates. Awesome. All right. So what do we want for this date? Well, let's just say create it, and let's grab the habit, and let's modify this a little bit. Let's have the habit created at field in the database or column, the data that's coming in, and we could say we have this attached to it, strf time. And now we have to modify the time here, and you see that. Oops, sorry about that. So this function here, let me see how I did it before. It was the, alrighty. Yeah. Hold on, let me put a comma here. As a matter of fact, hold on, right here. So this would be the year. Just like that, yeah. Day in year, all right. There we go. So it looks good. Perfect. All right, guys, this is showing really nicely here. Let me get another one. Let's add another habit to see if we can see it right away. Let's see, what other habits can we do? Meditate. That's a good habit to do. And let's change the color to be green this time. And that's something that's actually not working, right? The color. So we need to work on that color and show it there. So let's see. Where do we need to show that color? that color is actually showing on the background right here. So we need to modify this and show it there. So let me see. As a matter of fact, let me see here. We got the name, created, font medium, habit name. I'm thinking, yeah, this is the place to add it. So let's just add it here. Habit color. I was thinking of doing something else, to be honest with you. This here, I don't know why that's giving me that issue there, but anyway, there we go. Refresh, and you can see the name there. Really awesome stuff. I mean, the color. All right. Yeah, I went blank there for a minute. I was going to do something else, but yeah, this way you have the color there dynamically coming from the database. We're good to go, guys. We can work on deleting the data as well. That would be a really cool thing to do. But anyway, I'll see you guys on the next lecture. Be consistent. Keep doing it over and over again until you got it down, guys, and you're going to become a master. I promise you that. Just keep fighting with your body, your brain. Sometimes it doesn't want to do things, but you have to force it. That way you can build a habits. I'll see you guys on the next following lectures. Good job.